From times immemorial, humans have always looked for a way to make life very easy for themselves. From the transformation of technology and to the introductions of telecommunications agencies in Nigeria and all over the world. My name is Basi Ejikwa John. I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar, and in my channel, the Edutainment Media, I talk about education and entertainment. That means if you love education and entertainment all over the world and in Nigeria, please kindly click the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I post a video like this, and so that you can also help me grow. And for those of you that have been interacting, engaging on my video, anytime I drop a new video, you watch it and you have subscribed to this channel, you are the reason and my motivation. I really love you. And if you're a new visitor on this channel, please watch this video, drop a comment, because what I'm going to show to you today might be a secret hack, and it might be a shock that you have never heard about it before. So drop a comment and please click the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates like this, and so that you can also help me grow. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get MTN cheat, which works for even as low as 100 naira. It costs 1024 MB to get 1 gig of data, 1 GB of data. And a lot of people have been buying data in the wrong way. Some people use *131 to buy data, which is 500 naira for just 1.5 gig, which will just last them for only 7 days. And some people even tends to go down to buy to go to *121 to buy data for 200 naira just for 7 days, which is 1 GB also for only 1 week. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use 100 naira to get 1 GB, which will last you for 30 days. And watch this video to the end. I'm going to use a screen recording, and the importance of getting a GB of data can never be overemphasized. So watch this video to the end. I'm going to use a screen recording. Let's go. Just like I've told you, you must be an MTN user before you can access this particular cheat. And please click the red subscribe button because your subscription matters. And you go to your phone dialer app. You dial *131. You know the normal way of buying airtime or buying data, in MTN is *131 hash. But in this particular cheat now, you are going to emit this hash first. Do your *131 *100 hash. That means before you can access the cheat, you must have at least 100 naira in your MTN account. In your MTN account, you must have a recharge card of 100 naira, and after that you dial *131 *100 hash, and you send. Choose MTN, you send, allow the USSD to load, and as you can see, this is, you'll be charged 200 naira for the purchase of 1 gig, valid for 30 days. So as you can see, this is it, 200 naira for 1 gig, which is valid for 30 days. So you can, if you like, you can press 1. For some sim, you will see 100 naira for the purchase of 1 gig, while for some sim you will see 200 naira, depending on the type of sim you are using. So after that, you click on number 1 for proceed, and after that you click on the send. So guys, try out, drop your comment in the comment section, and share this video to your friends so that they can also watch it and help me grow. I really love you. Thank you.